Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show how to use Grasshopper phone system. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to set up and use Grasshopper, a virtual phone service designed for small businesses. First of all, head over to grasshopper.com and sign up for an account. You will have the option to choose a local, toll-free or vanity number. If you already have a number, Grasshopper and can also port it over. Once your number is selected, it's time to set up your business phone system. Grasshopper lets you add extension for different team members or departments. To add an extension, simply navigate to the Settings tab, click on Extensions, and follow the prompts to assign number to your team members. Each team member can use their own device while keeping your business number centralized. Now, let's talk about call forwarding. Grasshopper makes it easy to forward calls to multiple devices, whether that's your office phone, cell phone, or even your computer. You can also set customer schedules so calls are only forwarded during business hours. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more business tools and tips.